guys, what's going on? I am here to do another video, and as you can tell by the title, y'all already know, another MCM. Anyway, this particular item is something new. I was on the website probably about a month or so ago, and I saw they had like a little video or whatever showing that the it's a perfume, by the way, well, a fragrance. It's supposed to be unisex. Anyway, they were saying that it was coming soon. I was like, I think they said like the spring or something like that. So when I saw that it was available, I said, let me get this just to, let me get this to see how this is gonna smell or whatever. So like I said, it's unisex. And y'all, the bottle, looking at it online, the bottle is too freaking cute. So let me get this open for you guys. And it just came in just like a little small box. And I got it today from UPS, and they actually want you to sign for it and stuff or whatever. So I was like, okay, for some perfume, but okay. So this is my first time actually ordering from the actual MCM site. So here is how it came. There's the little box. Oh, I got the little envelope everybody else get. So there's that, the little thank you. And this is just the, you know, the receipt, and then the return label if you want to send it back. Y'all, this is a perfume. And so y'all, here it goes. So here is the box. That's the box that it come in. Like the little cognac color box. Scoop that up. So there's that. So I'm going to open it for you guys. And this is the 1.7 fluid ounce. And this, the price of this is $80. And then the taxes was $6.60, so it was $86.60, and this is a final sale. The shipping was free. Let me show y'all this. All too cute, too freaking cute. Y'all, look at her. Look at her. Y'all, this is so cute. Hope it focuses in. Y'all, look at that. Hot mess. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Oh my God. It's like a little backpack. And so here's the side. Here's the front of it again. The other side. And here's the bottom. And then here's the back, and it has the little handle. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Now how you, okay, there's a little, I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a little button right there that you press. So I am going to see what it smells like. Let me see. And I'm gonna wait a minute before I smell it, because y'all know sometimes you have to wait. Okay. Yeah, it smells good, and it kind of smells like something that I already have. Let me see. It kind of smells like something that I have already. But it does, I mean, it smells okay. It smells good. It's not strong right now. It doesn't smell strong, but once I wear it, I'll let y'all know if it like lasts all day. But as you know, certain stuff, you know, may last longer on other people. But it smells, I mean, it smells decent. It don't stink or anything. Let me see. It has a, they say it's like a woody floral scent is what it's saying. I'm trying to find the notes. Okay. It has, the notes are apricot, raspberry, heart notes of fragrant jasmine and peony, and a base of musky ambrox, super vanilla, and sandalwood. So it says the result is a bright woodsy floral. I don't know if I would, I don't really know if I would consider it kind of floral, but you know, that's what they say. It's their stuff. Okay, sorry y'all, I was just reading it. But yeah, they saying it's a woodsy floral scent. And I guess it was just released March the 23rd. It says they released their first ever fragrance or whatever. So I don't know. I like it just for the bottle, because y'all, the bottle is just too darn cute for me. It is super cute. So once again, here it is. And it's just like the little backpack or whatever. It's so cute. So freaking cute. And the bottle has like a little texture to it and stuff. Super duper cute. Y'all, that is so cute. It's just the cutest little thing. So I just want to share that with you guys. But it smells good though. I mean, it's not a bad scent. And you know, like everything, you can always spray something else on top of it and mix it with, you know, you can layer it with other scents or whatever. But it smells decent. It doesn't stink. To me, it doesn't stink. It smells like something that I already have. So, it smells good. But I just want to share this with you guys, just in case y'all are interested in it. And I know here lately, I think if you order anything from it, they were giving free samples. I know I saw a couple of people do videos and they had a sample of it in there, so you may get lucky and be able to try it that way. So like always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Bye.